This entire African folktale video, story, visuals, everything was created by AI from one single prompt. Sounds crazy, right? Stick around because I'm about to show you the mind-blowing tool that does it instantly. Now let's head over to Magic Light. So in our browser, we'll type Magic Light and then tap on the first option that comes, sign up, and then it will bring us to this interface. So you can just tap on the AI video or the plus sign down here. Any of it will take you to where we want to be. So this is where we want to be, and as you can see, we have 4 steps: the content, the cast, the storyboard, and the edit. So for the content, we can either generate it from prompts or use our own content. I'll be using my own content, and for the aspect ratio, I'll be using landscape. If you prefer portraits, you can take that as well. Then we'll have to pick the style. For the style, I'll be going for realistic. Then after that, it will take us to another phase. So now it has broken down our story into 21 shots. As you can see, what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Do you think it's good so far? What you're seeing is quite good or not? Just let me know in the comments. Okay, now let's just go through all, and then after that, you just tap on the next button down there. So now it's analyzing our story. Let's wait for it to do that. Alright, so it's done analyzing our story and it recognized 2 characters, which is Kwame and Anefia. Kwame is a young adult and Anefia is a senior. In our story, she's an old lady, but this app says it's a senior, so we take it as it is. Now there's one thing I want you to know. When I decided to use Magic Light's inbuilt characters, it wasn't giving me what I wanted. So I had to go back and generate my own characters, and I used Microsoft Bing for that. After generating, I brought it here and I continue. So I'll show you how I did it over here in a minute. Alright, so to edit the characters, just tap on the edit character. So let's tap on the edit character of the old lady, that's the senior, and it will bring us to this interface. So we see the name, we see the voiceover, we see the gender, we see the age. So the voiceover, if you like, don't bother for now because you can always edit it later on. Now for the characters, it has pre-made characters, but I decided to create my own. Like I said earlier, I didn't get what I wanted, so you just tap on the create and it will bring you to this interface. So over here, you choose your style, which is realistic. Then you input your character, and then we go ahead and upload the photo we downloaded or we created with Microsoft Bing. So just tap on the icons you see down here, like plus face, plus claw. Just tap on it and it'll send it to your gallery, so you can choose the image you want to use. Then you input your character prompt. As you can see, it's asking us to input hair, skin, eye, clothing, and any other we want. Okay, so we'll just do that. If you want to know how I came up with the prompt, you can just use ChatGPT, or if you want a sample of my prompts, just let me know in the comments and I'll drop it for you. Alright, so when you are done, just tap on create and it's going to create for you. So now it's creating. Let's wait to see what it gives us. I think the image it gave us wasn't bad. What do you think about this image? Let me know in the comments because I think it's damn good. So when you like it, just tap on the confirm button and it will add it to your character. So I'll go ahead and do it for the male character as well. I just don't want this tutorial to be too long. I'll just do that and then we'll continue from there. Alright, so I'm done. As you can see, we have our characters now, and the next step is the storyboard. So when you're done, you just tap on the next step and it'll start creating our storyboard for us. So let's wait for it. So while we wait, Magic Light actually gives you 300 credits to try it out. And I think if you are serious about this, African folktale and you want it to be easy to create and all that, I'm not sure it's a bad investment. Alright, so now it's done, and our next step is to edit. So as we can see, we have the voiceover, we have Kwame and Nanefia. So all I want to do is to change the voices. So I'll just tap on the voiceover, choose the voices I like, the voice I like for the voiceover. Take Nanefia, choose the voice I like for Nanefia. Take Kwame, choose the voice I like for Kwame, and then we go ahead. So I'll go through all the things it has given us, and then I'll do my editing. So this is how the output is like when it's done. This is how it is. So now I'm going through, and I'm doing my editing. So you can also animate it. You just tap on the animate and it's going to animate it for you. Alright, now we are done, and now it's asking us to get our header, whether we want a cover. I don't want a cover. So all that I'm doing is just going to that. You see the header styles. Then after that, I'll just tap on the subtitle. I want subtitles, so I'll type on the subtitle and pick the style I think I like. And also give you the chance to add music. So just go through the music and see if you like any. If you don't, just go with no music, and then send it to your editing software and add your own music to it. It's that easy. So after choosing your music, you just tap on the generate button and it generates for you. So now our video is generated. Let's wait to see what we got. Alright, now it's generated. Let's just tap on the download video and we'll come straight into our gallery. Let's do that and then watch what we created. Alright, now it's downloaded. So let's just tap on the open button and go and have a look at what we
in the
got.
vibrant village of Missouri, where the red earth meets the golden horizon, a secret legend stirs in every heart. The sun blazes, casting long shadows. Kwame, a young man with eyes reflecting the vastness of the African sky, stands amidst the bustling marketplace.
I have always felt the rhythm of this land deep in my bones. But what if these murmurs hold a call meant just for me?
As twilight paints the sky in hues of orange and purple, Nana Afia, the village elder, summons Kwame to the shade of her humble hut. Her eyes, like ancient wells, gleam with centuries of wisdom. Nana Afia said, "Kwame, the time has come."
The voices of our ancestors lie silent, waiting for the one whose lips can revive their ancient song at the foot of the great baobab.
Under a star-studded sky.
Let me know your thoughts on this too, and also let me know what tutorial you would love to see next in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one.